SKS Integrated Wine Cellar. How to reverse the door opening. Tools to use. You can choose to use the torque bits from the accessory box or use your own. You can best service the wine cellar when it's placed on its back. With 2 persons, slowly bring the unit in this position. To separate the door, unmount in total 8 screws and bolts. Start by removing the knock sensor. This sensor is specific for the wine cellar. Lift off the door with 2 persons and lay it down on a soft surface. Remove the door hinges. Note the position of the screw. Turn the screw all the way until it's positioned to 0 and make sure to do this for both the hinges. Pry off the hinge cover tape and keep it for reuse later. Remove the vent cover assembly. Replace the hinge, door and cover brackets with parts from the installation kit. To remove the vent cover assembly, unmount 2 screws on the left side and 1 screw on the right side. Gently pull out the vent cover. Replace the indicated 3 parts with parts from the installation kit. Unmount 2 remaining screws of the PCB cover guide. Unmount 3 hinge bracket screws. Replace the cover and door brackets with parts from the installation kit. Then mount the hinge bracket. Prepare the PCB cover. The wiring must be routed in the opposite direction. To do this, gently take off the tape and reuse it to cover the wiring in the opposite direction. If the tape does not stick properly, replace it with new tape. This is not included in the installation kit. Pay attention when mounting the hinges. Rotate and mount the top right hinge on the low left side and the low right hinge on the top left side. Mount 2 screws to attach the PCB cover guide. Guide the wiring and PCB cover in order to place back the vent cover assembly. Prepare the vent cover assembly for opposite door opening. First unmount 4 screws. Then pull out the part as demonstrated. With the vent assembly turned around, you can slide the upper vent part to the right side. Then place back the part as demonstrated. Finally, mount 4 screws as indicated. 2 on the left side and 2 on the right. Place the vent cover assembly and mount it with 3 screws. Now let's continue on the top side. Unmount in total 4 screws from the top cover assembly. Unmount 2 screws. Rotate the front cover assembly 180 degrees. Replace or reposition the top brackets as shown in the images. And use 1 bracket from the installation kit. Put back the front cover assembly . Mount 4 screws. Mount the hinge with 2 screws. Mount the decor cover with 2 screws. Put back the hinge bracket cover tape. Prepare the door. Mount the bracket on the other upper door side. With 2 persons, lift up the door and gently place it on the cabinet. Position the door so that it is in line with the screw holes. Mount the door screws and the PCB cover as indicated in the images. These steps are not demonstrated. After mounting the door screws, position the PCB cover and the wiring guide to match the screw hole positions. Then mount the 4 screws. With 2 persons, gently close the door. Pull the wine cellar up in its normal position. Do not forget to adjust the spring tension position from 0 to 1.